Here are the heat pumps at my doctor's office. And I don't think any of them are running right now, and it would appear that one of the Rheems has died since I was here last. Last time I was here last summer, there was another one of the stamped Octagon units. It would appear that one of them has died. I was hoping I'd get a video of one of them running, but oh well. I can just come here another time, even if I don't have an appointment, and ask and tell them I'm going to come back here and film one of them running. Yeah, this is a brand new one. 13 SEER Rheem Classic Series heat pump. Yeah, that's a shame. One of the other stamped Octagon died. It was from 1990 something. This one's a Preferred Series heat pump. Yeah, this one I think is a Sirius satellite radio. That must be for the stereo system inside the doctor's office. Oh, one of them came on. It is the new one. And obviously it's running in heat mode, it's freezing. And this has the classic Rheem rude design with the compressor and all the other guts in the back. Let's see if I can find a... Okay, this is a 5-ton, manufactured in the third week of 2009. So, even though this was just installed, like, recently, this is from 2009. It's almost 3 years old. They probably had it in a warehouse somewhere. Because I was just here filming the other heat, the stamped Octagon heat pump that used to be here, like last summer, and 2011, so yeah, this one's probably been sitting in a warehouse for the last 2.5 years. 13 SEER 9.00 HSPF, manufactured in March of 2009, and this is a 60,000 BTU. And this one, I can't tell, the data sheet's worn off. But yeah, I think the Bryant... Oh, no, it's not on. I think this is a 60,000 BTU. Oh, this is a... Is that a 3-ton? Yeah, this one's a 3-ton. 36,000 BTU. That's a big 3-ton. Holy shit! Oh man, I can't believe I got that on video. Oh my god. That tree just fell over. Holy crap. Look at that, and it landed on the heat pump. Look at all that. Oh my god. I can't believe I got that on video, man. I think that tree was dead and rotted. But yeah, this is a 5-ton Rheem Classic Series 13 SEER heat pump from 2009, running in heat mode. That was epic. There was an electrician working on a light fixture at another part of the building, and he heard it and came back here. That's why I turned off the camera momentarily. I was pointing out the tree to him. Yeah, right over there. That was freaking epic. That was really epic. And this one is also a 3-ton. 36,000 BTU Bryant Quantum Plus highly efficient heat pump. From 2005. That was epic. And there's the debris from it. Alright, so again, This is a 2006 Bryant Preferred Series 3-ton heat pump. This is a 2005 Bryant Highly Efficient Quantum Plus heat pump. This is a 2009 Rheem Classic Series 13 SEER heat pump. I don't know how many SEER those ones are. I'd say about 13 or 14 for the Preferred Series, maybe 12 or 13 for the Quantum. And this is just a 10 SEER 1990s Rheem heat pump. Kind of sloping to one side. That's probably what killed the other unit that was over here. It was kind of sloping to one side and it might have gooned up the compressor. And yeah, this one's R410A. Holy crap, I can't believe I got that on video. Alright, two Bryant heat pumps. That one's a 2009, this one's a 2005, and this one's a 2006, and I don't know what year the stamped Octagon at the end is. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.